International spending with a neon bank works best when you treat it as a control system, not a convenience tool. The first priority is currency efficiency. Always spend directly in the local currency and let the neon bank handle conversion in dollars at interbank or near interbank rates. Avoid dynamic currency conversion at terminals because it silently adds extra dollar costs that compound over time. Card usage should be structured. Use virtual cards for online international payments and subscriptions to isolate risk and track dollar outflows cleanly. Reserve physical cards for in-person spending where acceptance is guaranteed. Lock the card immediately after large purchases to prevent unauthorized dollar charges across borders. ATM withdrawals require discipline. Withdraw fewer times and take larger amounts to reduce repeated dollar fees. Choose ATMs operated by major banks, not independent machines that impose aggressive dollar surcharges. Decline conversion prompts and allow the neon bank to process the dollar exchange internally. Budgeting in dollars is essential. Set spending limits per region or trip inside the app and monitor real-time notifications. This prevents exchange rate drift from distorting your actual dollar spend. Keep a separate travel balance funded only with the dollars you intend to use internationally, protecting your primary funds. Timing matters. Load your account when dollar exchange rates are favorable instead of reacting mid-trip. Small rate differences can translate into meaningful dollar savings across flights, hotels, and daily expenses. Security is non-negotiable. Enable transaction alerts, location-based controls, and merchant category restrictions. International fraud often starts with small dollar test charges before escalation. Immediate alerts stop losses early. The most effective neon bank international spending approach is deliberate, rate-aware, and app-controlled. When every transaction is treated as a dollar decision rather than a casual swipe, international spending becomes predictable, secure, and cost-efficient across borders.